Today is a day of tips, tricks, and hacks. One question I get quite a bit from estheticians is Wick, I'm not good at wording stuff. I can't, how do you word? What's your word so your message gets heard? Word. All day, every day. Yo, if you got a kid's birthday party and you need entertainment, call your boy Wick. I got you, yo. So let me move my face up here somewhere so I can look at me, I guess. I don't know. Right? So a technique, a hack that I use when I want to get my wording right. Yo, wording is important. Listen to me. Repeat that stuff a million times. I see so many estheticians and I'm just like, man, you're wording it just wrong. You're talking about, hi, come in for a facial. Hi, come in for a relaxing facial, or this, or come overturn your skin, or whatever it may be. And I'm like, no. Do it like the big boys. One thing that I do, I think well, is my ego is small enough where I do not feel like I know more than a freaking billion-dollar company. Like if someone's making, 40 million, 20 million, 50 million, whatever, I shut the heck up and I'm like, okay, I will listen to you, right? I just learn by seeing what others do and don't feel a need to reinvent the wheel. Does that make sense? For example, right now, where is my cleanser? This is my toner, I'm sorry. This is Wicked Skincare, my calming toner, right? My calming toner. And now I'm putting together all the literature and all that good stuff that I don't want to do, but I have to do because I need to be able to properly explain what my products do, right? And I go, okay, I can start from scratch and be like, okay, what do I say? How do I say it? Blah, blah, blah. Or I can go, okay, who is killing it in the toner business and what are they saying so I can model and follow their lead. Follow the freaking leader. Some of y'all might have heard of Thayer's, right? And immediately I get so much back. Like, Wick, you're native. Thayer's isn't even professional product, and this. It's not about professional product, this product, that product. I am just talking about what are the words that people use to sell stuff. Listen, keeping the ego out, what are the words that other businesses have used to sell stuff? So I kind of looked at Thayer's a little bit. Cool. Thayer's annual revenue is about 20 million, blah, 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 blah. But did you know Thayer's is no longer Thayer's? L'Oreal, the beast of a company, acquires Thayer's Natural, pays 400 million for Thayer's. 400 milli. So L'Oreal is pretty smart, I would say. They spent 400 milli for Thayer's, which is still selling here. Thayer's has 113,000 ratings, whatever, right? Right, cool. So can we agree that Thayer's probably sells quite a bit? Yes, cool. So all I'm interested in from this point on, okay, people are going to look at pictures, boom, boom, boom. So I'm going to mock and create pictures similar to what Thayer's has here. And then I'm going to look at the description. What does Thayer say? Hazel hydrating facial toner with aloe vera, cool. And then I want to get into the skinny. It's a gentle face toner, alcohol-free, formulated to soothe, tone, hydrate, and balance the pH levels of skin. The face toner helps reduce the looks of pores, balance oily skin, and maintain the skin's moisture barrier. Ooh, okay. What it's made of, I really don't care. How it's bottled, I really don't care. Proven results. Dude, L'Oreal paid 400 million for this company. These words were created by a marketing team and they probably spent $1 million on that marketing team plus. So these are experts that write this stuff. These are experts. Regardless of how intelligent I may feel I am at times, I cannot even compare to these marketing experts. I am like, a 1, and these people are like a freaking 10. Are you with me? So it doesn't matter how much I think I know, unless someone's coming to buy my company for $400 million. I'm not quite there yet. I will be though. Goals. All right. So proven results. In just one use of this face toner, skin feels nourished, healthier, skin tone appears even, and skin is hydrated all day long. After 1 week of use, your pores will look reduced, skin looks clarified, and your skin texture looks smoother. Boom, yo. So all I'm gonna do is go through this. In fact, that's what I've been doing. So here, let's look at what I'm doing. Oh, and going back in here a little bit more. I like some of the wordings. Like, so again, people will look at the pictures, people will look at the reviews, then they'll go to the words, and the words have to resonate. The words have to resonate with that person. And it might be about the formulation of it. It might be the results. So you have to dabble with all these things. And again, the best part is you don't have to do it. These people have done it for you. You just get their words, tweak it a little bit in your own words, and make that happen. So I'll go down here again. I like the pictures. Look how cool this is. Number one, I'm talking a healthy looking glow in just 1 week. Boom. Okay, results. You see how they're not, they're going to talk about some of the products. You see this? So you talk about ingredients or whatever, blah, 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 that their audience cares about. But what do they start with? Dude, the result. You will have healthy looking glow in just 1 week, right? Step 1, step 2, step 3, boom. Cool. The other part here, and let me see if I can do this right, is the product description. Again, this is important to me. Your skin will think you're at a spa. Look at the image it portrays. Your skin will think you're at a spa. That's the line they start with. That's beautiful. I think it's a beautiful line. So I'm going to use that. I might use the exact line. I might use a variation of it. I don't know. I'm putting it together. Right? Blah, blah. Revitalizes the skin with a gentle, soothing formula. Look at the words they use, the descriptive words, right? Again, remarkably soothing. So soothing formula, remarkably soothing. Toner is made with blah, 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 blah. And our proprietary blah, blah, blah. Go ahead, treat yourself. I like the way they said that, right? Lavender's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties cleanse skin, help manage acne, calm sensitive skin, and reduce redness and irritation. Look at all it does. It reduces your redness and irritation. So if a client, if you are talking this way and a client is listening and you go, hey, do you want to reduce your redness and the irritation of your skin? If that person, remember, I always talk about, again and again, talk about the problem. What is the problem? What's going on with your client? If they have that, you will have their attention. Cool. Not only does lavender, blah, blah, blah. It calms the skin from the outside in, blah, blah, blah. Extremely gentle and beneficial for all skin types, especially those that are sensitive or acne prone. So a lot of times, like, one thing I love about copy like this, and again, this is why I do not need to reinvent the wheel. If I had to do this myself from scratch and do it myself, I would be freaking SOL, which stands for ship out of luck, because it would take me forever. I'd rather just start with a template and go with it. So for example, is extremely gentle and beneficial for all skin types. Immediately, some people can say, well, I don't know about me. I have sensitive skin. Especially those that are sensitive or acne prone. Because, ironically, a lot of people, this is from my opinion, and you may know it more, if you ask somebody, do you have sensitive skin? They're like, oh yeah, my skin's sensitive. I think most people will say they have sensitive skin and they don't know what's going on with their skin. They just say it's sensitive, right? It makes them feel special. I don't know, give them a star for being sensitive, right? Well, the mild antioxidants that help your skin look and feel its best, right? Blah, 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 blah. Cool, right? So you with me? So all I did is I kind of went through this and I looked at some of the words that I liked and I'm like, boom. And this is going to be part of my description for my calming toner. I'm going to get this and then I'm going to massage it. Your skin will think it's in a spa. Go ahead, treat yourself. Formulated to soothe, tone, hydrate, and balance the pH level of your skin. Helps reduce the look of pores, balance oily, In just one use of this calming toner, skin feels nourished, healthier. Skin tone appears even, and your skin is hydrated all day long. Double up. After 1 week, a healthy looking glow in just 1 week. Who doesn't want that? Who doesn't want that? Visibly improved skin texture, tone, and pore size. I won't say pore size because, we can't change pore size, but what's the properly would, reduce the appearance of pore size or something, right? Of, whatever. Right? Revitalizes the skin with gentle, soothing formula. Remarkably soothing. I like the word. Go ahead, treat yourself. I moved that up there, but I just like the way that sound. Anti-inflammatory, antibacterial properties, cleanse skin, help manage acne, calm sensitive skin, and reduce the redness and irritation. It is extremely gentle, beneficial for art, especially. See, again, I like the way they said that. So I'm going to get these words, famoosum, do a little thing. And if you're ever curious, go, well, wait, how are you going to famoose it? What are you going to do? I have a lot of tools that I use. One is called, here, let me see if I can do this, blah, blah, blah. I'll do it right for you in real time. It's called Quillbot, right? So it's one of the tools that I use. And I just copy and pasted this in there, blah, 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 paraphrase. And what this thing will do is, so your skin will think it's at a spa. Your skin will feel like it's at a spa. So indulge yourself. So instead go ahead and indulge yourself, right? So this will change some of the wordings around for this, and I'll just mess with it until it works, right? I like this tool. It works well for me. Floats my boat, right? So, but the main focus is as you're doing things, as you're posting products, services, etc., and you want to work on wording, dude, imagine you spending $1 million for a marketing team to tell you what to say, right? I don't know if you can do it. I sure the heck cannot do it, but I can have it done for me by just going to Amazon and going to some of the more popular products that are out there and saying, okay, what did they say? Because $1 million marketing team did this for them. Boom. My hack, my tips from me to you. Use this, get the wordings, famoose them a little bit, and then talk like this. This is literally a post, right? I'll get this and clean it up just a little bit. And this is my post. Yo, remember the first thing I always talk about is go straight to the problem about the red, irritated skin, blah, 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 blah. Don't know what toner is right for you. Here, let me introduce you to calming toner. This toner is the one that will revitalize your skin, and it's gentle and soothing enough, especially those that have sensitive skin and want to reduce the redness and irritation, blah, blah, whatever, right? Make sense? So simple, easy to use. I use Amazon all day long to get ideas on what to say, how to say it, because they already said it. No need for me to reinvent the wheel. Let me follow the leader and be like, this works in terms of what I'm trying to do. And if they're selling freaking, if this company sold for 400 million to L'Oreal, and this is the formula in terms of the words that they use to sell more product on Amazon, follow the leader, use their pictures, boom, 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 use their descriptions, boom, 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 there you go. Cool beans, check it out, more tips to come. As I work I will keep dropping these gems for you. Yoo-hoo!